Okay, I'm at the production facility. I was called here to explain everything. It was a bold idea, but I'll manage probably. So, these are spools of fiberglass. There are a lot of them here. They're beautiful, and thin threads are pulled out from them. They're called roving. A nice word, right? Roving. Roving. All right, let's continue. The threads go over here. This is the pre-tensioning and heating unit. Why are we heating it? So that the fiber gets better impregnated with resin. It's like when you warm up dough a little before rolling it out. Well, roughly. Next is the impregnation bath. Here, the fiberglass is impregnated with a special resin. The resin holds everything together. Then come the special little blades, the squeezers. They remove the excess resin. We don't need any excess. Saving is important. The next unit is the winder. This is where the periodic profile is formed. These are the ribs on the rebar. Why the ribs? So that the rebar holds better in the concrete. Concrete loves ribs. The more texture there is, the stronger it holds. The control panel. All parameters are set from here. One person, one little panel, and everything is under control. A serious piece of equipment. Next is the curing oven. 9 meters long, temperatures up to 300 degrees, 4 temperature zones. Here, the resin hardens and the rebar turns from soft to hard, just like in an oven, only instead of a pie, it's a building material. But I won't be tasting it. After the oven comes the cooling bath. The hot rebar needs to be cooled down. Recirculating water is pumped in a loop. Economical and smart. The pulling device. It pulls the rebar forward along the entire line. It's a caterpillar-type puller, allowing for the production of rebar up to 32 millimeters in diameter. These are already serious diameters for serious projects. And finally, the coil winder. Thin rebar up to 12 millimeters is wound into neat coils for transport. That's how threads turn into rebar, rebar turns into money, and money turns into a happy production owner. The production speed is 21 meters per minute for 12 millimeter rebar. One line produces 700 kilometers of rebar per month. 700 kilometers. Strotelny Innovacji has been building these production lines since 2011. We've already installed more than 50 of them in over 10 countries. The warranty is 1 year with 24/7, 365-day support. Want a little factory like this? The link is in the description. They will explain it even better than I can.